Weight loss. One of the key components of this approach is adopting a balanced, calorie-controlled diet. This involves consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, while limiting the intake of high-calorie, processed foods, sugary beverages, and snacks. Portion control and mindful eating techniques can also help individuals develop healthier eating habits and maintain long-term weight loss. Regular physical activity is another crucial aspect of lifestyle modifications for weight management. Engaging in both cardiovascular exercises and strength training can help burn calories, increase muscle mass, and improve overall fitness. Cardiovascular exercises like walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling elevate heart rate and contribute to calorie expenditure. Strength training exercises such as weightlifting or resistance training help build lean muscle mass, which can further enhance metabolic rate and aid in weight loss. Behavioral modifications play a significant role in achieving and sustaining weight loss. Establishing realistic goals, creating a structured eating plan, and adopting mindful eating practices can promote healthier behaviors and long-term success. Managing emotional eating, identifying triggers, and seeking support from healthcare professionals or support groups can provide guidance, accountability, and motivation throughout the weight loss journey. Additionally, strategies such as keeping a food diary, practicing portion control, and developing coping mechanisms for stress or emotional challenges assist in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Alongside these lifestyle modifications, there have been significant advancements in medical management for weight loss. The introduction of GLP-1 receptor agonists, such as Ozempic, semaglutide, has revolutionized the management of obesity. These medications, originally developed for type 2 diabetes, have shown remarkable effectiveness in promoting weight loss. GLP-1 receptor agonists like Ozempic mimic the action of the hormone GLP-1, which helps regulate appetite, glucose metabolism, and satiety. Ozempic, in particular, has demonstrated significant weight loss outcomes, even in individuals without diabetes. Clinical trials have shown that when combined with lifestyle modifications, Ozempic leads to greater weight loss compared to lifestyle modifications alone. While GLP-1 receptor agonists provide an exciting new option in weight loss management, it's important to note that lifestyle changes remain key. These changes include adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and making behavioral modifications. Combining these lifestyle modifications with the use of medications like Ozempic, under the guidance of healthcare professionals, can offer individuals struggling with obesity an effective and comprehensive approach to achieving and maintaining weight loss. As with any medical intervention, it's important to consult with healthcare professionals to assess individual circumstances and determine the most suitable treatment approach. Regular monitoring,